Hey YouTube, Bruce here from the Cool Geerage. I am going to be making another video and dealing with the front end of our cargo trailer to RV conversion build. What it is going to be doing, it's going to entail is me building a shelter, a box, a storage container, storage unit, all based on the A-frame of the trailer itself. It's a great place to be putting your propane bottles, your hot water heating system, your jacks, your miscellaneous things that can kind of go outside and don't need to take up room inside our cargo trailer. So what I've got here is I've got a bunch of my propane cylinders. So those are going to be the base structure. So as you can see, I've got a template drawn out here for the nose of the trailer. And then of course, with the propane bottles, those are the determining factors in having it and the size that it's going to be at. So they both fit in there nicely. I'm going to be building it about 7 feet, 6 or 7 feet tall. I'm going to make it out of square tubing, and it'll all get built up in the shape of like I just showed you the template on the floor. So just stay tuned and watch it as it gets built. See you soon. Box that I'm building, I have bought today from Mel's Supermarket in Langley some square tubing, and at this point I have got welded up from my template. As you guys saw a few minutes ago, I had a template and I just need to get it cut. So I welded all the four corners up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to fabricate the metal verticals that are going to go up to the top. I've decided that I'm going to make the top height of the box, cargo trailer box, front end box, to be 6 feet tall. So I'm going to, it's shaped in the front of the A-frame, going to be 6 feet tall, and I'll put a slight slope on from the back to the front on it. So stay tuned, I'll keep you posted. Okay, welcome back YouTube. I started this project a couple days ago. I had the base welded up. I showed you where I was going with that. I bought some material yesterday and spent about an hour yesterday starting to build some templates and whatnot. Then assembled it today, and as you can see, it's coming together. Front end of the trailer will look good. I'll be getting some sheet metal to go on either side of this for the doors, and this will be a solid front and solid top. So there we have it. Into it for another couple hours worth of work, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. So stay tuned and you'll continue to see the build of the front end storage unit. But I'll just give you a little progress report on where I'm at with my front end cargo trailer RV conversion. I've made the skeleton for the actual unit itself. Lower shelf, as I mentioned before, is now all ready to go for the propane bottles down there. Shelves at 12 inches on center. I'm not going to put this shelf in. I'm going to keep it down to 1, 2, and 3 shelves. And my hot water heating system is going to mount against a piece of metal here that I'm going to hang onto it, which is all ready for paint job now. It's got a couple days into this little build. Pretty pleased with it so far. Everything's working out really good. I'm going to get some primer on it tomorrow and get some top coat of paint. I bought the sheet metal for the front of it. It's going to be a piece of metal across the front, metal doors on the sides. So it's been a lot of hard work, but I've been enjoying making this, and it's going to come in really handy when I finally get it mounted to the trailer when I get it back. So, hey YouTube, I just want to show you the end of a project that I had started a long time ago, and I wanted to put a closure video to it now that I've got all the box fixed and finished and installed. So you've seen my frame go together of this unit. So it's the structure I showed you. It's welded to the A-frame. It goes up. It's for housing my 2 propane bottles and a bunch of the Julka hot water heating system. Anyway, I've got it all in. Got shelves in there, and my hot water tank system, my tankless system, will be hot water on demand, should I say, will be installed up top there. So anyway, this is to the point of the unit that I've got built. So the doors are on it. You can see there. 2 swing doors, one on that side, one on this side, and it's worked out pretty good so far. So I have to finish it off a little bit of magnetic tape and be done with it. But anyway, there we have it, the end of a project that has been a long time coming. My cargo trailer A-frame storage unit, front storage unit. Anyway, if you like the video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate the help and the viewership. So for another episode, Bruce from the Geerage out.